So something that a lot of people don't think about when manifesting something or doing the healing is the law of free will. So you've got free will, choice and freedom about what it is that you want to create. But what people don't realise is that we are so interconnected, and if you're trying to over control that free will, and it's like, I know what I want and I'm going to create that thing, without even considering the interconnectedness of everything, then you're missing a trick. So all you need to do is take the aligned actions that are given to you, the intuitive feelings and nudges that are given to you, and do your own healing. That is all you are asked to do. And what we have to consider is this bigger picture of the law of free will, that actually in any given moment, everyone else's free will is also impacting on the quantum field. So I'm going to give you a bit of a random example. Maybe someone does actually want an orange car. Let's say you want to buy an orange car. You are manifesting an orange car. So what can you control? You can control your focus and the actions that you take, visiting the garages, messaging the garages. You can also control your boundaries, your responses and triggers to those around you who say, you don't want an orange car, you want a green car. Why are you spending money on a car? Okay, they are all things that you can control, your boundaries and your aligned actions. But what you can't control is the other people out there who are all interconnected. Let's say there are 3 other people that through their free will are also wanting an orange car, and they are looking at the same orange cars that you are looking at. You can't control that, because that is the law of free will. And if the reality is that you are competing with 3 other people for all the orange cars in your area, then that is the reality and you can't control that. However, if you are really strong on what I said you can control, your boundaries, your aligned actions, we basically create through intention. So what will happen is this reality will actually bend and a new orange car will be created for you, because that is how the quantum field works. But we have to let go of trying to control others, trying to interfere with others' free will, because we can't. Free will is a law. The only way we can stop other people's intentions from affecting us is by doing our own healing, by doing our own growth, and by having the boundaries. We can change our frequency, our vibration, and then take the aligned actions. But I see so many people getting frustrated. There's a big cross in the sky as I'm saying this. I see so many people getting frustrated that their manifestation isn't working, and the reason that it's not working is because there's a bigger picture at play, and everyone's free will is impacting on the quantum field at any given time. So by just having this awareness, we can release the resistance, we can let that go and just go, okay, yeah, like there's other people that have free will that are creating as well. I'm not God. Yes, we all have that consciousness within us and we're all connected, but it's not just about us. Everything is interconnected. So we have to understand this interconnectedness, how others' free will play into that, and actually what is our responsibility and what is our place to do. And that is the healing, the growth and the aligned actions, and that is it. And you will get your orange car quicker than ever when you can let go of this resistance.